Alhaj Abdul Kabir Bukola Alayande Irasalatu, King of Islamic Music. Mo ń fa àkókò ìsọ fún èèyàn mi wípé Bisi Ológe TV show òun ni kẹ́ ẹ máa wò níbikíbi YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ibẹ̀ náà wà. Tẹ́ bá tó fẹ́ ṣayẹyẹ tẹ́ fẹ́ kí gbogbo ayé mọ̀ Bisi Ológe number one, Bisi Ológe number one ni ẹ máa wò wọ́n.
Jesus. Our Lord is good all the time because your Lord is good. You have to put something down today. Put something down. Jesus Christ bàbá sọ wípé ní ìjọ kan ṣoore fẹ́yàn kan bí o tẹ̀ pé méjì ọmọ tó wà ní ọmọ mọ́kànlá ní kò sí náà ni kò sí ni adébìkan lánàá pé ẹ wá bí bẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní ẹ bá mi tó lè ṣe ó ní màá mi ẹ mọ bí nàìjíríà bí ti ẹ kọ́ ẹ má kùnà fún wa nàìjíríà wo ni àwọn kan ń jẹ wọ́n ń bì báwọn kan ò jẹ̀ ní jẹ rárá ṣùgbọ́n má sọ pé torí bò ní o níbí even tó bá mú 1,000 lẹ̀ blessing máa wá mi ò ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ sọ jù yẹn lọ lẹ́nu ní tó bá ní ìwọ̀pọ̀ fílẹ̀ màmá wàá tún wàá mú wá sí i lọ́sọ̀ ẹ̀dùn àwọn àgbà.
And please, don't let us forget these children. We're giving them life. We're giving them hope. We're blessing them. We're looking after them. And let me tell you something. These children, their prayer goes a long way for you. But when children pray for you, Joshua, hi darling. So remember them. So I want to talk to people on the media. Now, for people, you are in the media, we are pleading, we are begging. It's not easy to look after a disabled child. I know a lot of people on my platform that has one or two disabled child. We understand what I'm talking about. It's another challenge entirely. For the mothers that are abandoned these children, it's because they don't have the capacity. Who want to tell me one person will pay 4 million for operation for one child? Maybe she has about 4 before. She decided, no, I can't do it, let me give it up. Even I'm not against them giving up. I appreciate them not killing those children. They're still giving them life. So if you're on social media and you're seeing this, you know me, I don't bring rubbish to social media. You've helped me during the COVID to feed 500 people for 22 days. God's Way family, you are helping me now to empower 24 women to be a professional makeup artist with a starting kit. We're doing the second week now, and it's a budget of 2 million plus. So you can still help me, God's Way family, to look after these children. I need a donation. I'm going to be putting it up every month to get a donation. There are babies. This is another baby. Wow. She has a baby.
That was our first baby.
Okay, this is our first baby girl. Look how she's holding on to me. This is baby Burala. I can see she has a Down syndrome. She's a son. So if you have worked with this kind of children, adults as well. So it's very, very challenging. So God's Way family, I need your help. The orphanage account has been posted there. Whatever you have. If you need the address, get in touch with me. For the media, please, if you need the address, we're going to release it to you. You can come anytime to see the children. We need food, we need clothes. Number 3, Takwa Crescent. Takwa bus stop. Off Iju Road, Agege. Number 3, Takwa Crescent, Takwa bus stop. Off Iju Road, Agege, Ifako. If you want to come anytime, please, you don't need to book appointments. Come and see them. Come and look after them. I'm going to plead if you want to adopt one. Baby Wurala hold on to me, so I'm going to be adopting Baby Wurala.
Well, it's not in our hands. That's why our government used to be funny. They are not giving us a dime, but they are the one in charge of adoption. So,
well, she's gonna be here. What I mean by anybody, you can do this.
We only look after them.
Well, you can do this. When I say I'm gonna adopt her, I'm gonna be paying for her feeding every month. Clothing, feeding, anything that has to do with Baby Wurala, I will be taking care of that. I'm still gonna go around and show the children. If you are interested in doing this, let me tell you something. 10,000 naira every month will not kill you. A lot of people abroad, you can do this. You can do this. We need people to get up. We need people to stand up and help us. So I'm talking to the people behind the camera now. I'm talking to you at home. I'm talking to you in London, in America, in Canada, in Germany, in Italy, in whichever state you have. We need your help for these kids. You are their bone, you are their strength, you are their eyes, you are their hand to lift them up. I don't want to include government, you know me. But God's with family, I have a mi ò dá, mi ò dé fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pa ìjọba, torí mi ò ní liver. Èèyàn kan ní wá ṣòṣèlú, mo ní mi ò lè ṣoṣù kan tó máa fi pa mí. Because I will not sit without talking. So I'm going to leave the government out of this. I need individual people. People that matters, people that can help. I need them to come. Okay, this is one of our boys as well. Peter. How are you? So this is baby Peter. Baby Peter, how old is baby Peter?
He's 3 years old.
3 years old, very tall. Can he walk?
No, he can't walk.
He can't walk.
He needs
He
the braces for his leg.
needs braces. So how much are we looking for the braces?
About
50,000
50,000 naira
naira.
for the shoes.
Okay. I'm going to call my husband and he's going to pay that 50,000 before I leave you. I'm going to call him. He's going to pay the 50,000 naira. So God bless everybody. Thank you for coming. I wish we are more than this because I know if we are more than this. Please, before we go home, you know I was saying 12,000 since that brought me here. So who want to give me money for transport? That
Ìyá títí, ìyá títí, ìyá títí, winner oh, winner oh, winner, we don win no winner, pátápátá we don win forever, winner. Ìyá títí, you know what? I'm coming from church. They are giving me the money for the orphanage. So they say I should go and give them. Me, I did not give them. Oh, I did not give them. Oh, and you know, say last year, na so they give us 5 million. Say, oh, give them. If to say we chop down 5 million, you know, say for don fat. You like this, if you don fat, if you don break it, me go for don dey shine, for don fresh. So I no give them the money. So the money now, I wan use am buy motor. Me and you, we go dey drive am. Boom, 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 boom.
Ọmọ ṣe gan ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì náà ti fún ilé adúrú owó tó tó bẹ̀yẹn ẹ wá lè sọ fún mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ká lọ dúpẹ́ ẹ ká lọ bẹ̀ ká lọ dúpẹ́.
Ìyá títí wá súnmọ́ bí sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n fún mi lówó ọ́fánẹ́jì ní owó àwọn ọmọ aláìní ní o la fẹ́ fi ra mọ́tò o.
Ẹbí ọmọ kan máa fún yàn lówó níbẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ aláìní bàbá wọ́n máa fún yàn lówó wọ́n á fún yín lówó ẹ ṣe ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ jẹ́ àlọ́ gbogbo àjọ máa lọ ni o gbogbo owó yẹn àjọ máa lọ ni.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi o mo sì yàn I see choose mo sì yàn. Ìyá títí àní owó tó ní ká fún àwọn ọ́fánẹ́jì ni mo ní ká fi ra mọ́tò àwa méjèèjì ká mọ̀ wá bùn pín mọ́tò.
Ẹ wá lè sọ fún mi ìgbà wo ni mọ́tò gbà ẹ wá lè sọ fún mi ká tó wọn lọ sọ́sítà mo ga ó máa dùn mí kẹ́.
Má wọrí lọ ṣe oúnjẹ tá a máa jẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ food oúnjẹ.
Ẹyin gangan ẹ bá ti sọ fún mi ká lọ sọ́sítà tó bá yẹ pé sọ fún mi kó rẹ̀ yín ni wọ́n á ti sọ fún mi pé kẹ́lẹ́ pàtàkì àbí fẹ́síkì abẹ́gọ̀.
Oúnjẹ tá a jẹ oúnjẹ lọ sí gbàkú gúdúgúdú oúnjẹ lọ sí.
amen amen ọlọ́run àdá wọn sí àmín
Àlọ́.
àmín àmín jésù àmín ọlọ́run àdá wọn sí wọ́n ṣe
ìyá títí mò ń bọ̀ mo fẹ́ yàgbẹ́ àwọn pòpò.
ẹ̀yin gangan
Ẹ̀.
ẹja lọ.
mo fẹ́ tẹ̀lé mi lọ́wọ́ tọ́lẹ̀tì ni mo fẹ́ púpù.
ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé ká lọ kí wọn ẹja lọ sí tọ́jú ká lọ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn tó fún yín lọ́wọ́ bí láìkẹ́
Nìṣó toilet.
irú wa wo lẹ máa wù ẹ̀
Má bínú.
bí láìkẹ́ yóò máa wù wá abáramọ́ lè jẹ ẹja lọ ká lọ dúpẹ́ ẹja lọ
owó wọgbó.
ẹja máa lọ ẹja lọ.
àbí kí n wulẹ̀ fowó yẹn rìpíà etí rẹ ni.
òun náà ni mo sọ ẹja lọ.
12 o'clock, I was having a call that okay, he will be here. But somebody is here to collect it on his behalf.
Good afternoon, our mommies and our daddies. All protocols duly observed. All protocols duly observed. My name is Miss Mercy Edowu. I'm the social worker of Rock of Peace Motherless Home. First of all, the duties of the social worker, the main duty of the social worker in an orphanage home is to ensure that every child in the home is free from abuse and neglect. And they should feel safe in the home despite not being in their home of origin. That's actually the job of a social worker in an orphanage home. The biography of Rock of Peace Motherless Home. Rock of Peace Motherless Home was founded by Mother Busola Mercy Makonjiola in the year 2021 with the vision and mission to demonstrate the love of God to the helpless, to the homeless, and the hopeless through a wide range of psychosocial support, care, and protection. Rock of Peace Motherless Home is a non-profit, non-governmental organization and a home for children with special needs and disabilities. It is fully registered with Lagos State Ministry of Youth and Social Development, registered under CAC, and ASOAN, that's the Association of Orphanage Homes in Nigeria. We work with Lagos State Social Welfare Department, Lagos State Family Court and Juvenile Welfare Department of Nigerian Police. The home came into existence on the 6th day of April 2021 with the admission of our first baby, Narike Uraola Sonwolu, who was abandoned at 6 months old and she's presently 2 years old with Down syndrome. Though we were supposed to show the picture of their before and the after, but because of the rain and some technical issues, so sorry about that. Between April 2021 to present, we have admitted 11 children in Rock of Peace Motherless Home. Unfortunately, we lost a baby of 2 years old due to his illness of cerebral palsy in February 2022, after 10 months under our care. Presently, in Rock of Peace Motherless Home, we have 9 children. We have 6 boys and 3 girls between the ages of 1 year to 6 years with cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, hydrocephalus, and autism respectively. Between April 2021 also, we had recruitment of a child. His name is Peter. He has global hypotonia, and we've been trying to put him in a school, but somehow we experience discrimination from schools because they are special children. And we also, for this very child, we also need walking aids for him because he can't really walk very well, but he's an intelligent child. Also in August 2021, we admitted a baby with spinal bifida and hydrocephalus. I don't know if I can explain how a spinal bifida hydrocephalus. It's the children with the big head and a growth at the back. And immediately it was noticed, we took the baby to Lasut. Several x-rays and scans were conducted with frequent clinic appointments. And she was asked to she was referred to see a neurosurgeon. And by December 2021, she was admitted, and the surgery for the spinal bifida in January 21 was successful. In May, though she was still on admission in the hospital from January till May, because we insisted that the hospital should be done with everything before we bring the baby back to the home. So she was in the hospital for like about 6 months, and we later did the implantation of the ventriculoperitoneal shunt. It's called the VP shunt. That's an implantation of a tube in the head that will pass through to the neck to the stomach. And recently we realized that the baby started having an infection on that spot, and she was taken back to Lasut, and we were given a date to come for the surgery, which we pray at the end of the day will be successful. Then our goal as a whole, we have many of our children. We have the Down syndrome that are active. We have the cerebral palsy. We place them on medications. Often they see the physiotherapist. The physiotherapist comes to the orphanage home to see all the children. We also have the ones on monthly regular appointments that we take to Lasut, to the hospital also. And often, or when I say, it actually costs a lot for the home to take care of special children. And in one way or the other, we thank God He's been faithful. And our goal as a home is to have a school for children with disabilities and special needs, so that we won't have to take our children out of the orphanage home to other schools. Like I said earlier, most of the schools around actually discriminate our children. Once we go there seeking for admission, the first question they ask us is, are they normal or special? And with that, they'll tell us they don't have facilities to train special children, which is kind of like a delay to take care of, or to send them to the schools here. So our goal is to get a school that would take care of children with disabilities and special needs, so that the children present in the home can benefit a lot as they grow. Conclusion in though I'm done, and our prayer as a home is that God will continue to take care of every child in our care, strengthen the caregivers, and continue to provide for the founder of the home and all our mommies and our daddies that support us in one way or the other, to put a smile on the faces of our children. May the Lord's provision and protection never cease from our household.
Quick round of applause. That is so. Where is now? Woli Tio, come on!
Woli proper.
Sir.
Anything, please, can I know you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Alpha.
I'm fine, sir.
What about the money I told you to go and give the orphanage?
All the money?
Yes.
The money. I've given them.
I trust you. You're giving them. May God bless you.
Amen, sir.
So, no problem.
Hey, sir, do you think it's okay for us, people like us, to be giving in orphanage money?
Don't you know that it is written in the Bible that blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy.
Okay.
So therefore we must give because they are less privileged. We need to help them.
Oh yes, yes.
So
yes.
don't question me again.
Oh, all right, sir. All right, sir.
Yeah.
I will see you later, sir.
Okay, no problem. God bless you. Oh.
Bible MC, èèyàn bá wọ síìtì kó sáwọn ilé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ẹ̀rọ sà, thank you very much sir, God bless you. MC ọwọ́ lẹ́nu tí wọ́n gbé ìwọ̀n náà ẹ̀tì sí. God bless you. Bible MC. So I'm gonna add this to it.
Africa time ní Nàìjíríà.
Ẹ̀bọ̀jọ́ ti yẹn 4 hours la fi wà nínú mọ́tò 4 hours we are at Modern Center on our launching of our book when she was 18. We were there for 4 hours. The organizer.
Me financially, they are always there. You come here, pray, give the children gifts. I'm going to join them because you know that when a man and a woman leaves his parents, they come together and becoming one. So that's why I didn't want to do 2 different ones for them because they are 2 amazing couple. They are amazing couple. Anytime I look back after God, I see them. Anytime I look back, I normally see Reverend Mother Onosowo. She is my last night. I call her on something before this morning. It has happened. So she's always there and by me Onosowo. So I'm giving this an award on behalf of Rock of this Motherless Home to you for your service for humanity and God. This is for Reverend Professor Benga Onosowo and Reverend Mother Elizabeth Onosowo for their strong support to the orphanage and to the work of God. I'm short of word. I don't know what to say than to say that. Thank you. I said thank you to Mother for worshiping last night. Sorry, I'm a very emotional person. Members of praise. Yes, another amazing person. When we started this orphanage, when I've done everything, and we need to equip the kitchen. She's one of my spiritual daughter, and she came in. Mommy, where are you? I said I'm in the orphanage. She said, we're about to start. I said, and she came in here, and she said, Mommy, what else do you want? I said, the kitchen is not equipped yet. And immediately she said, Mommy, expect me tomorrow. She brought the pot, the pans, the cooking, everything, the cooking gas. So her name is Mrs. Fumilayo Pelusi. She is the CEO from Mopel Fashion House. So I give this award to you, Mrs. Fumi Pelusi, for your support. And I pray may the Lord bless you. She has an immediate call this morning, and she just called me. So she said, Mommy, I will be here this evening to collect it. But I give it to the social worker.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.